Hello guys, so we are here at Ritalori Hotels in Surrey off Body Thomas. So we are using this event center and everybody here is an Arsenal fan. So we came here to celebrate Arsenal lifting the trophy after 22 years. The last time we won the league was around 2003 through 2004. A lot of us have not seen Arsenal actually lift the trophies. Even the new owners, Kroenkes, that actually bought the club, and I think they did their minority stake in 2007. I don't think they've even seen Arsenal lift the trophy. This is also their first time. So we are here, we are excited. We have over 500 Arsenal fans filling up this event center, and we are all excited. We are all happy to be here. We just watched the game between Arsenal and Crystal Palace at the Selhurst Park. So the game as at now, the game is 2-1, and anytime soon the game is going to finish. So we are all happy to be here. It's been a long time coming. So the excitement, we hope, extends by the time we play Paris Saint-Germain in Budapest in the Champions League and finals, and we hope to also win that one. That's a trophy we've never won in our history, and we hope that is going to be the first time that is happening. I'm all excited. My name is Chuks. I'm the major person. So I'm the go-to person handling GFL TV, that is Gunners for Life TV, and also Chuks Arsenal TV on YouTube. So everybody's here to come and celebrate as we gloat, as we are triumphant, as we lift our trophy. So anytime soon it's going to be trophy presentation, and we are going to see how it goes. Over to you, Excellent.
London is red! Arsenal! 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 Arsenal!
I thank all our fans here that have supported us for the whole 22 years.
And we Arsenal fans, we are celebrating the trophy.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Whatever the weather, that is Peter.
Statues bring many souls, Arsenal fans, back to life. When you want to talk about today's trophy, when you mention Ateta, you mention statues, we Nigerians.